As construction accelerates to a tech-enabled and data-driven future, the B2W Trimble combination creates visionary advantages for contractors. B2W broke barriers with the first specialized software for heavy construction estimating. The B2W platform followed, with applications to track and adjust operations immediately, cut equipment costs and downtime, get resources to the right place at the right time, and link these workflows in real time. Now, Trimble expands B2W product innovation capabilities, adding the resources of a global leader in cutting-edge construction technology and connected data. And B2W extends the Trimble platform. Solutions that work together from design to done, simplifying purchasing, deployment, and the way data flows, and bringing together best-in-class technologies across the construction lifecycle, so contractors can maximize performance within individual workflows, collaborate across workflows, make better decisions faster, and make the profitability potential of connected construction a reality.